I got it this time on video. Nah, I've been doing video. Oh, it's so cute. So small.
Got that one farther away too.
Yeah.
When I'll see them again. Yeah, they didn't stick around on the inside long. Came down inside Vancouver Island, made it to our waters late last night. They're already on their way back out. We call them the resident killer whales, and this is part of the resident group. They are here regularly starting summertime. It's just a bit early for them to be sticking around. There's the salmon are here in abundance yet.